Hey, Jordan. Come. Hey, what's behind your back, dude? You have a gun? Don't do that. Don't do that, bro. He's saying he's got a gun. Jordan, don't do this! Jordan, don't do this! Jordan, don't do this! Jordan, show us your hands right now, brother! Show me your hands right now, brother!
Who wants to kill someone tonight?
I don't want him going into that street. Jordan, we don't want to kill you, dude!
Stop right there!
Jordan, stop it right now, brother! Stop!
Okay, who's gonna kill someone tonight?
Stop!
You decide!
Stop!
You decide! You decide!
Jordan!
5! 4! 3! 2!
Bryce, stand back.
Jordan! 998.
Hey, stand back, guys. Hey, stand back. Bryce, stand back. Dude. Hold on, guys. Mark his 90s.
Roll him over, roll him over. Check his 90. There we go. I don't see any guns. I don't have anything yet.
He's breathing.
He's breathing.
Bryce, stand back.
Jordan!